Welcome back to the channel. We're checking out Pepe coin over here, guys. Very quickly, let's talk about Pepe. What's going on with the Pepe coin? We can see we're getting some nice trajectory here and some massive buys so far for Pepe coin. Could this be a massive 2025 for Pepe? You can see on the month we're up 58%, on the week we're up 11%, and on the day, Pepe coin is up 1%. Swift reminder, crypto is very risky and this is not financial advice, but let's look at the coin anyway. So yeah, market cap 5.92 billion, still down a lot from the very top where we had a market capital of 10.43 billion. So around probably 40 to 45%, we are still down. Now, I want to just look at some basic analysis very quickly. We can see Pepe coin has obviously gone back into a critical area on the relative strength index, back into an overbought territory where it once was before in November 2024. So we're seeing the same levels of greed and excitement come back, but we still have a lower high in place because of course we don't have the same price structure, yet we are getting similar emotions form. So hopefully it's not going to be a dead frog bounce and we will see more of a rally from here. But at the moment, it's still looking like it's trying to get out of this position. Now, I have gone long. To be fair, I am actually long right now on the Pepe token. It's just a small long trade. I don't know if I'll make actual money here. Hopefully I will, but I'm using MEXC for this to do my buying for meme coins, crypto, Bitcoin, any of this stuff. You can check MEXC out down below, by the way. You might get some bonus rewards and yeah, trade safely and securely with MEXC. I love those people as well. What else we got here? So it looks like we're producing some nice higher lows on the diagonal here on the 4-hour time frame. If we can actually start to break out of this sort of support zone that we're currently in, where we are starting to, creep up a little bit, we're getting towards the 0.00014 level. And, the next real kind of key area of resistance that we're looking at is the 0.16 again. So that's what we want to see a breakout of. Fibonacci 1.272, 1.4, 1.6 will take us up another level. So we'd see like a 30% move to the upside. And that's ideally where we want to be headed. We want to get back towards the 0.2 region, which would be amazing. Of course, we're a long way from the top, like I say, guys. So it's not worth getting really excited for. If you believe it will go up over 200, a 2x, 103%, then we have a chance at seeing an all-time high again, which was at 0.000028. But at the moment, it's still a long way away, and it's going to require a lot of momentum to see the token get there. Looking at the actual meme market itself, we went from $127 billion to a $71 billion market. And when you kind of look at that chart there and look at Pepe's chart, it just looks almost the same. It looks really similar. That last chunk on the end, very, very similar. Disgustingly similar, actually. Yeah, so really, really similar. Obviously, Pepe is following this. So in order for Pepe to get to an all-time high, you could argue that we'd need to see the meme market get back to exactly where it was before. Pepe coin price prediction, can it break resistance? Despite bullish momentum, the crypto Pepe coin still faces technical hurdles. The Pepe price has yet to break convincingly above the 0.0000148 resistance zone. Sort of believe that as well, because we do have to break through that resistance before we can start getting really, really excited, which is a little bit higher from here. And then we still have further more resistances to get through at the same time. So still really hard to say exactly what will happen for the Pepe coin ecosystem. You can see, of course, the fear and greed index, we're sitting at 74 now. We've got a greedy market, so people are becoming excited yet again. A lot of greed in the market, which is good for buys and good for seeing a relief rally, but it doesn't guarantee long-term sustenance in the market still. We can see Bitcoin had a beautiful month in May. April was good too. It's been a good Q2 of the year for Bitcoin in general, and I think we might see Ethereum have a nice ride as well at some point soon. If you guys are also looking for a trading indicator, by the way, we've built the x1wave.com trade wave. So check out trade wave, our new indicator for easy to follow buy and sell signals. This is how it looks here on the Pepe charts. And actually our indicator has said to go short. So I've done the inverse of what the indicator has said this time, which you could call me crazy for, but we did already close a long position down here and capitalize some good profits. If you are looking for easy to follow, buy, sell signals to get into my Discord on a VIP level and make some huge gains like my traders are on a daily basis, then please do check out my Patreon down below. It's as little as $4 per month to get in, as you can see right there. Only $4 a month, guys. That's literally a cheeseburger. Yeah, you can check that out down below if you do want to get in on a a VIP level and become close with the guys and the girls in the Discord channel, the VIPs in there. What else we got to check out very quickly before we go? Mind Pepe as well. If you want to find another Pepe potential alternative, this guy here could be one that's worth looking at. A new AI agent meme coin, which is of course a Pepe alternative. In 3 days, 21 hours, 11 minutes, this coin will go live. It says the AI agent is also live now of the Mind of Pepe product, which is pushing out on a daily basis some very useful insights and analysis. So it's an ERC20 meme coin you can buy with crypto using MetaMask, Best Wallet, Wallet Connect. Simply connect your wallet, convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of mine coins. One mind is 0.00375515. Now again, I have no idea what is going to happen with any of these speculations. This is all speculative. We don't know if it's going to go up or down, but usually when the market is good and the meme season is here, these alt season / ICO tokens can do quite well. Of course, very, very volatile, so never risk more than you can afford to lose. Hopefully, it's going to be a really, really good one though. The link is down below to do some research and due diligence for the Mind of Pepe coin. Now, yeah, Mind of Pepe, Pepe coin. I love a Pepe, theme in general. I really do enjoy my Pepe tokens, so I could have a bit of a bias in the sense that, I get excited when I see the Pepe sort of coins go up in price and things like this. But generally, I think, figuratively speaking, from a fundamental technical point of view as well, if this market does see continuation and we do see the rest of the year go back up, then we could still be in a very, very good place, right? On a year-to-date sort of time frame, right? On a year-to-date time frame. So yeah, of course, last year we're down quite a lot, but year to date, we're still looking good, right? It's been a good 2025, sort of. I mean, December is where we hit the tops. Then we, of course, came down from January, February. We bled out big time. March was also bad. But right now, summer is looking like it's doing the opposite of what we all thought it would. So fingers crossed it will get better. Like, subscribe, guys. It really helps. It goes a very, very long way. And if you're a fan of Pepe, let me know down below what your prediction for this coin is. We'll see you soon. Bye for now. Peace.